Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the confidence function inside of Microsoft Excel. So the confidence function will return the confidence interval for a population mean using a normal distribution. So this function, in order to work, needs three arguments. So we need the alpha, we need the standard deviation, and we need the size. The alpha has to be between 0 and 1. If it's smaller than 0 or greater than 1, we are going to have an error sign. For the standard deviation, it has to be greater than 0. And for the size, it has to be greater than 1. So the size will be our sample size, of course. For the purpose of this video, I have already entered some arguments right here. So now all we have to do is simply write down the function. So in order to write down the function, it's pretty simple. We are going to start out by writing down an equal sign, and then we are going to enter our function, which will be confidence. So here we go. Here we have our confidence function. Now the first element, as you can see, will be the alpha, which is 0.1. Then once we have it, we are going to enter our standard dev, which in our case will be 1. And finally, our size, which will be 10. So here we go. And then we can just close our parentheses and run our function. And just like that, we are able to have the confidence function for the arguments that are below. So if, for example, I'm changing the elements right here, instead of 0.1, I enter 2. What's going to happen is that I'm going to have an error sign. So as you can see, it will not work. So if I'm putting it back, it was 0.1. If here, for example, instead of 1, I'm entering 0, as you can see, once again, it's going to be an error. And if my size is 0, as you can see, it's going to be an error as well. So this is how you use the confidence function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.